In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make buttons smaller on Shopify. We're going to use the built-in theme editor so you can resize your buttons without touching any code. This works across most modern Shopify themes, though wording in the editor can vary slightly. As you follow along, keep your store's branding and readability in mind so your buttons look clean and still invite clicks. First, sign into your Shopify admin. This is your home base for store management and where you'll access the theme editor. Next, head to Online Store in the left sidebar, then open your current theme. This is where your storefront design settings live. Open the theme editor by clicking Edit or Customize on your active theme. That will load a live preview of your store on the right, with a settings panel on the left. Any change you make here is visual and safe to try before saving. In the preview, navigate to the page that contains the button you want to shrink. Click directly on that button in the preview, or select its section or block from the left panel. For example, it might be in a hero banner, a product section, or a call to action block. If you don't see it at first, use the page selector at the top of the editor to jump to the correct page type. In the settings for that section or block, look for the control labeled size, button size, or something similar. Choose custom. Switching to custom is what unlocks precise sizing, rather than relying on preset options like small, medium, or large. Now adjust the width. Depending on your theme, you may see a slider, a text field for pixels or percentages, or a toggle for full width. Reduce the width gradually and watch the preview update in real time. A practical starting point for many buttons is somewhere around 160 to 220 pixels, but the right value will depend on your font size and text length. Keep an eye on line wrapping, padding, and overall balance so the button remains readable and clickable. Use the device preview icons to check desktop, tablet, and mobile. On smaller screens, make sure the tap target stays comfortable. Avoid making it so small that it's hard to tap. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save. Saving confirms the change on your live theme. If you have other buttons in different sections that should match, repeat the same adjustment there so your design stays consistent. That's it, your button is now smaller, cleaner, and still user-friendly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to rewind and pause as you tailor the size to your brand.